Basic System. To access the Basic System menu, right-click to bring up the Quick menu and select Main Menu from the bottom of the list, followed by Setup and then Basic. Many of the options in the Basic System menu may have already been configured in the Setup wizard. Name your DVR by selecting the text field next to System Type. A virtual keyboard will appear. Select your name and select Enter once you've finished. Number your system by selecting the text field next to System Number, selecting a number from the number pad, and then selecting OK. The video format is automatically configured by the DVR, and you can enable a password check by checking the box next to Password Check. If you'd like to view your system time in the bottom left-hand corner of the live view screen, enable Show System Time. Determine how many online users can access your DVR at the same time using the drop-down list from the Max Online Users drop-down. Determine the resolution the DVR outputs to your monitor. If you want to use a non-HD monitor, or if you're getting out-of-range errors on your monitor, you may need to lower the output resolution of the DVR to match a resolution that's compatible with your device. If you change and apply the video output, the DVR will restart with the new resolution. If you'd like to change the language that the options are written in, you can do so from the Language drop-down menu. If you'd like the DVR to automatically log out after a period of inactivity, you can determine how long it will take until the DVR logs out using this drop-down menu. And if you'd like the Setup wizard to appear on startup, select the Startup Wizard option. Don't forget to apply your changes before exiting the menu.